Welcome to Charts Today. My name's David Linton, and today's edition for Tuesday, the 14th of September, comes to you from London. The dollar edging higher just on cloud support on the short-term chart at the moment. Remembering this is my weekly, daily, 60-minute, long-term, medium-term, and short-term view of the market with the corresponding point and figure targets. We've got the euro actually just recovering a little bit, and again just testing cloud resistance, and interestingly the resistance on the point and figure chart as well. Against the yen, the dollar is still holding 110, and sterling is sitting at 131.70, so it's looking stronger this morning on the short-term chart. We still have resistance on the medium term. Taking a look at against the euro, we're at 117.31, holding fairly steady there. If we look at Bitcoin, sitting at $46,000, so just recovering to short-term bullish, and we are still holding the bullish trend on the weekly and the 60-minute chart. We do have downside target now, so if we go lower on Bitcoin, we will activate that, so we just need to watch that. Looking at the S&P 500 index, we were up 0.25% yesterday, so looking a little bit better. Still just weak on that short-term chart. This trend just continuing to edge higher, but nothing spectacular here. The Nasdaq also, of course, edging higher, and maybe just finding some cloud support there. The futures are up slightly this morning, so no big change there. The VIX volatility still sitting at 19.5, so we were as high as 21 on Friday. We are just seeing a little bit of a bullish move in the fear index, which is not good for the market, but overall we're still pretty much within the range. FTSE future down 0.2% this morning. The DAX in Germany, little change. The CAC Quarante also little changed, well actually down 0.6%. Japan continues to rocket, so up another 1%. That breakout in the Japanese market really key. We've got targets of 4%, 8% and 2%, so nothing spectacular long term. Taking a look at the Hang Seng, we've weakened there, and the Shanghai Composite down 1.4%, so just a reversal there at the top. The Sensex in India is up, and the Aussie market was up as well. Soft commodities look strong this morning. Sugar up 0.7%. Not enough to change the short-term trend, but still looking good on the longer-term trends with upside targets. Wheat, similarly, looking higher. If we take a look at gold, we're sitting at 1788, just struggling here, and silver back below the 24 level, short-term bearish as well. Precious metals, platinum and palladium, not looking great. Palladium down 1.616%, just diving away there, so not looking good for the moment. US 10-year yield sitting at 1.34%, so that's looking stronger. And last of all, if we look at the energy mix, we've got crude oil up this morning. Good news, we've got some upside targets which are promising. 77, taking us back to the previous high level. Just interestingly, though, we have to break this 76.40 level to get rid of the lower high, lower low scenario. So for the moment, we're watching that, just running around cloud support here. Too early to call. The picture has changed. WTI, similar of course. US nat gas sitting at $5.20. We had targets here of 5.31. 5.74 is the big one, 6.21. So we're seeing some really big targets on US nat gas. Coal sitting at 1.31, just no stopping coal, just going higher and higher and higher. Emissions sitting at 1.26%. These were all covered in our weekly reports, of course. MBP's up another 7% this morning, 165, just no stopping. We've got targets here 176, 196, and that's where we're headed. TTF, same thing. We've got big upside targets here, 71.30 for TTF. So that's going to be quite key there. German power smashing the €100 mark, and we've got the next upside target of 109.60. Keep an eye on your 1-minute charts on your OTC prices, and the same for the quarterly contract. And Nordic Power pushing higher as well, up 4% on the CAL and up 5% on the quarter. And UK Power smashing the 150 mark, so looking very strong there. Power market's going crazy. That's it for today. Until tomorrow, happy charting.